Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying model and warranty because some fixes void coverage. Once confirmed, clear a well-lit flat surface and remove lens caps and strap. Now, gently blow away dust with compressed air. Do not touch optics yet. Next, use a soft cloth and 70% isopropyl to clean exterior surfaces, then check for visible misalignment, fogging, or loose screws. If screws are recessed, grab a precision screwdriver and keep parts organized in a tray so you won't lose them. Once the exterior is clean, slightly loosen the hinge screws a quarter turn to relieve stress on the central focusing gear. This allows you to operate the wheel without strain. Then remove an eyepiece gently and inspect prism alignment. Small prism shifts or loose retaining clips cause focus drift. Realign prisms by small, controlled adjustments while observing through the other eyepiece and reseat the eye cups. Finally, secure the focus wheel and set the diopter. Make sure both barrels move smoothly before reassembly. Reassemble the binoculars and tighten screws snugly but not over tight. Once done, test focus at close, middle, and long distances to confirm crisp images across the range. If focus remains inconsistent, inspect for internal moisture, mold, or stripped gears. These require careful cleaning or part replacement. As a quick troubleshooting tip, if only one barrel is out of focus, recheck the diopter and prism seating before opening further. If you encounter fused components or complex prism misalignment,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.